This is a demonstration on the Certiport offline exam testing experience for a test candidate. Once the system is set up, you place the offline thumb drive into the testing computer. These thumb drives can be purchased through Certiport. Once the thumb drive is actually recognized by the computer, we'll be ready to begin. Using the IQ system exams icon, same as delivering a normal exam, we're going to double click on it. This is the welcome screen where a user would now put in their username and password. In offline mode, the first time that a user uses the thumb drive that has been entered into the computer, they have to register themselves to make sure that their information is accounted to their actual account. So we're going to go through a few registration steps now to make sure that the user is set up and ready to take the test. These are the same fields you would see if you were going to register online using the Certiport portal. We just need to make sure that we've entered in the proper information in the right fields. Any field with a star next to it are the required fields. Once the screens are entered in, just click Next to continue with the registration process. When the registration is complete, it will be identified. During the registration process, you will have created a username and password that you will now enter in, and then select the program type that you want to take. During this registration, there are also some contracts and agreements that you have to sign. There is a Certiport and a Microsoft. So answer yes to completing the registration processes. On the Microsoft registration, you can use the Use My Certiport Profile data. It will autofill, and click on Submit. There will also be a Certiport contract that you must sign. So we're going to hit yes again to any contract. You're going to want to make sure that you've accepted it. Click on Submit. And last, there will be the last contract is a non-disclosure, says that there will not be any information disclosed after the exam. Again, we're going to accept that, click on Submit, and now we're getting to the login screen. This is what we call the exam selection screen. Again, choose the type of exam that you want the person to take. With the offline mode, we do use what we call electronic inventory, so vouchers are not able to be entered in at this point, but we click on Continue, and we come to the proctor confirmation screen. This is where the proctor will need to make sure they've entered in their information correctly, validate that everything on the screen is correct. At that point, click Start Exam, and the offline exam will begin.